Alright, George Jimmy Sports Cards here. We're doing another box of Insane Ink 2015 Insane Ink. Good luck, Kelly, HockeyKhan. In a personal box here. Looks like 8x10. Upside down. We have Vampire. Not sure on that one. See the backside? 2? Yep, 2. True Blood. What? Going this way. Oh, from Office. Office Space. Yeah, Kristen Bauer and Livingston. John Livingston. Oh, Ron Livingston, sorry. Ron Livingston. Office Space. And Kristen Bauer. This actually might be a good one, True Blood. That's not bad, Kelly. It's a nice couple of 8x10s. I think so far these have been like probably this pack has probably been the best so far out of name recognition wise and show wise. No problem, Kelly.